Today we're creating a delicate lace mask portrait. Begin by isolating the subject's face and cleaning up tones. Add a lace pattern, either imported or drawn using custom brushes. Warp the lace to fit facial curves naturally. Reduce opacity slightly and blend through multiply for realism. Add soft shadows along the mask's edges to create gentle depth. Introduce ornament accents like pearls or tiny metallic glints. Enhance contrast around the eyes to make them pop through the lace. Add a cool-toned gradient background to keep focus centered. This creates an elegant, romantic portrait with intricate details. Let's decorate your subject with digital lace.